Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2009 Honda Shadow Spirit. This is a custom style 750cc V-twin liquid cooled shaft drive cruiser. Beautiful satin black in color. It's got the highway engine bars. Great sounding Cobra straight exhaust system, and it's got a passenger backrest. Again, shaft drive, so no chain to mess with. Price to sell at just $39.99. Check us out. We've got financing, extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com. Where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you for Contra Costa Powersports.